Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this stock report for Gold Resource. The report was first published on our website January 21, 2022, but this is a more detailed version which also includes some fundamental data you need to know. In this 7 to 10 minute long video we give you the information you need to know about Gold Resource for the upcoming trading day on Monday 24th, like support and resistance levels, signals, chart analysis, price to earnings ratios, and possible trading levels. Make sure you watch the entire report so you don't miss out on some key information needed for your trading. Please remember to subscribe so we can continue to grow and give you these free videos. Make sure to hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new video. Now just sit back, relax, listen and watch the screen as we will show you some interesting data as we move along with the report. In this section you will get some information about the current Gold Resource performance to better understand where the stock is right now. In our systems, the Gold Resource stock currently holds a 3.209 score, and our system has ranked Gold Resource by candidate since January 19, 2022. In this period the stock has had a gain of 2.31%. This is an average return of 0.77% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for Gold Resource our last headline reads, Green Day on Friday for Gold Resource Corp. The Gold Resource Corp stock price gained 1.72% on the last trading day, Friday, January 21, 2022, rising from $1.74 to $1.77. And has now gained 4 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the day the stock fluctuated 7.6% from a day low at $1.71 to a day high of $1.84. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 16.45% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by -751,000 shares, and in total, 2 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $3.05 million. You should take into consideration that falling volume on higher prices causes divergence and may be an early warning about possible changes over the next couple of days. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $3.20, and the lowest price was $1.50. Right now the price is 44.69%, or $1.43, below 52-week high, and 78.47%, or $6.45, below all-time high September 30, 2016, where the price hit $8.22. The Gold Resource stock trends, predictions and analyst ratings. Soon we will give you the analyst ratings for the stock, but first the trends. The stock lies in the middle of a very wide and falling trend in the short term, and further fall within the trend is signaled. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible -19.14% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between 22.57% and 44.71%. The 12-month trend indicates a -43.76% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between -9.34% and 19.66%. This equals a price between $1.60 and $2.12 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. From analysts Gold Resource stock received a general buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment the analysts give the Gold Resource stock a neutral rating. In this section we will give you some information about signals found for Gold Resource. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the stock. Mostly positive signals in the chart today. The Gold Resource Corp stock holds by signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $1.68 and $1.67. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, January 6, 2022, and so far it has risen 16.45%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average divergence, MACD. Volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This causes a divergence between volume and price, and it may be an early warning. The stock should be watched closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average divergence holds a buy signal. Pivots gave a buy signal 11 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 1 day ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 4 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 2 days. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a sell signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a buy signal 2 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 27 days. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for gold resource. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $1.62 and $1.61. There is natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock then may fall to the next support level. In this case, Gold Resource Corp finds support just below today's level at $1.62. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $1.61 and $1.58. This stock has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved 13 cents between high and low, or 7.6%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 6.41%. The stock has a beta of 0.9. This tells us that gold resource is minus 0.1 times less volatile than the market. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for gold resource. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Gold resource currently has a price-earning ratio of 13.71. This is a relatively low price-to-earnings ratio and either signal a low expectation for the future of the company, or that the stock is undervalued and could indicate a buying opportunity. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, gold resource meets first resistance at $1.80. If you do not hold gold resource shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, gold resource finds first level of support at $1.62, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. Other levels you should watch based on the famous Fibonacci model are: buy at $1.72, $1.69, $1.64. Sell at $1.82, $1.85, $1.90. The average ratings, combined from several analyst sources for gold resource, is buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. On August 17, 2021, Perry Kimberly C. made an inside buy of 41,666 of common stock. On August 17, 2021, Perry Kimberly C. made an inside sell of 41,666 of restricted stock units. On April 5, 2021, Murphy Lila A. made an inside buy of 1,960 of deferred stock units. On March 29, 2021, Little Ronald made an inside buy of 20,000 of common stock. On March 23, 2021, Little Ronald made an inside buy of 10,000 of common stock. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be positive at a ratio of 30.112. In total, the insiders bought 812,834 and sold 293,792 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is $1.72, minus 3.10%. This stock has medium daily movements and this gives medium risk. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 10 days ago. Is gold resource stock a buy? Several short-term signals are positive. Despite the stock being in a falling trend, we conclude that the current level may hold a buying opportunity as there is a fair chance for stock to perform well in the short term. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For the trading on Monday 24th, we expect gold resource to open up $0.0033 and start trading at $1.77. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment if you have any questions and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.